Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, today is our maths class, and the topic is big to small. So, children, in previous class, we have learned about the small to big. Okay? So, children, let's revise it. Small to big. When a group of numbers are given in ascending order, this means they are given in order from smallest to biggest. Small to big means छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर तक. Small number to big number. Okay, small to big means ordering or arranging numbers the smallest to the biggest. Okay, children, so now today we are going to learn about big to small. So, children, numbers are said to be in descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर तक. This means they are given in order from smallest, biggest to smallest number. Okay, look at here. These numbers are in an order from big to small number, like 10 and 9, 8, 7. 10 is big number and 7 is small number. Okay, next is 25, 24, 23 and 22. So 25 is big number and 22 is small number. Okay, children, so let's start. Okay, now I have some example for you. Okay, so children, in the concept of small to big number, we have arranged the number in small to big, like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now today in big to small concept, we will arrange the numbers in big to small. Okay, like this. Which number is biggest number? Is 10. Okay, now next number is 9. And which number is biggest? 8. Now next is 7, then 6. So children, we have arranged the numbers in big to small. 10 is the biggest number and 6 is smallest number. तो हमने सबसे बड़ा नंबर जो है वो 10 है, उसके बाद 9, फिर 8, फिर 7 और 6 नंबर जो है स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है. तो बिग टू स्मॉल कॉन्सेप्ट मीन्स बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर तक, बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर तक, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so children, now we will do this exercise. What we have to do? we have to arrange the numbers from big to small. So children, in this concept you can use this number line. Okay, let's start. 12, 10, 9 and 11. So children, now let's find which number is biggest. Okay, it's 12. Okay, so we have to write here 12. Okay, now next number is 11. So we have to write here 11, then 10, then 9. Okay, next is 4, 2, 1 and 3. So which number is biggest? Tell me children. 4 number. Okay, 4 number is biggest. Then what comes before 4 number? It's 3. So we have to write here 3. Then 2. Then 1. Okay, now next number is 21, 23, 24 and 22. So children, tell me which number is biggest? It's 24. Okay, 24. Okay, look at here, 24. Okay, so we have to arrange the number from big to small number. So 24, and what comes before 24? It's 23. 23. Now what comes before 23? It's 22. 22. Then 21. So children, we did and we arranged the numbers from big to small. हमने क्या किया है? बिग नंबर से स्मॉल नंबर तक हमने इन नंबर्स को जो ऊपर दिए हैं उनको अरेंज किया है. हमें इसमें यही करना है. बिग नंबर पहले लिखना है, उसके बाद जो उससे छोटा नंबर है, स्मॉल नंबर है, वो लिखना है. फिर उसके बाद जो छोटा नंबर है वो लिखना है, और सबसे छोटा नंबर जो है वो हमें लास्ट में लिखना है. ओके चिल्ड्रेन. सो चिल्ड्रेन, इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट द बिगेस्ट नंबर कम्स फर्स्ट. जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर होता है वो सबसे पहले लिखा जाता है. ओके चिल्ड्रेन. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट exercise we have to write the numbers from big to small. Okay, so children, now tell me, this is 16 number. Now tell me which number comes before 16? It's 15. Yes, 15. Then 14. So children, we arranged the numbers from big to small. Okay, big to small मतलब बड़े नंबर से लेके छोटे नंबर तक. तो यहाँ पर कौन सा बिग नंबर है? 16. और स्मॉल नंबर कौन सा है? 14. तो हमने आज क्या सीखा? टुडे वी हैव लर्न बिग टू स्मॉल कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके. सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ अगेन we will revise it. Okay, small to big. Small to big means ordering or arranging numbers the smallest to biggest. स्मॉल नंबर से बिग नंबर तक अरेंज करना होता है नंबर्स को, उसे हम कहते हैं स्मॉल टू बिग. ओके, and in big to small concept, big to small means ordering or arranging numbers the biggest to the smallest. Big to small means big number से छोटे नंबर तक अरेंज करना. 10, 9, 8, 7. So 10 number is big and 7 number is small. Okay children, so do you understand the concept of small to big and big to small? Okay, so children, now you have to do this work, page number 128 and 129. So this is your homework. Do this work and share with me. Okay, page number 128 and page number 129. Big to small. Okay children, so bye bye and take care. Have a nice day.